Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, August the 19th, 2025. We have liftoff. Finally, KSE-100 breaks higher with both volume and momentum in full support. But, and there's always a but, sustainability hinges, as always, on continued volume and follow-through. Let's take a closer look. So this is where we are right now. A 1700-point move yesterday, followed by a 1574 jump today. Everything about this market is positive. Above all major exponential moving averages, a jump in volume, very strong momentum. Again, MACD is positive, the histogram is positive, ADX shows very strong trend, and ATR now shows rising volatility once again. This is as firmly bullish fundamentally as a market can get. However, there's always vulnerabilities when the market is at record highs. And what could be the vulnerability in this one? Number one, RSI is extremely overbought. This shows that a time for correction could be near. Another high low perhaps, like we made over here, although very briefly. There's one more very important point. When volatility rises as measured by ATR, technical analysis says that requires momentum to stay strong. At these levels, if volatility expansion also runs into momentum faltering, then pullbacks can be pretty sharp. So that's just one inherent risk that we have to look forward to right now. Anyways, it's very normal for market traders and investors to take profits at elevated levels, and that's also a very natural course of flow of the markets. Higher highs and higher lows. But right now, the verdict is that the market remains fundamentally bullish. Uptrend remains dominant, underpinned by stronger volume and broad momentum confirmation. Stay tuned.